Welcome to Jain Logic Training videos. In this video, we're going to walk through the steps on how to rename items within the Jain Logic application. This is a pretty common thing. A lot of times when we actually set your accounts up, we won't necessarily know the proper names for fields or blocks. So we may give you temporary names, or you may decide that you actually just want to rename something. And that's what's happened in this case. This grower has made the decision to change their names from the east, west, north naming convention that they use to block numbers. And it's really simple to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the almond sites and we're going to choose the east field. So this field now is going to be almond block 2. So to change a name, we're going to go up to the configuration tool. We'll choose this asset configuration. And here you see that we've got these fields that can be edited. So the field name, we're going to change to almonds, and we're actually going to abbreviate it. So almond block 2. And then while we're here, I'm going to go ahead and rename the irrigation set. So that makes sense as well too. Almond block 2. And a lot of times on the irrigation sets, I actually put IS after it, so I know that's the irrigation set. And then we're going to click Save. Now once you save, you don't have to go back out of configuration. You can stay in configuration and just choose the next station. So the next station we're going to change is this field north. And this is actually going to change to 1A. 1A. And then here, instead of north, we'll change the irrigation set to reflect the same thing. So almond 1A. And I forgot we're going to abbreviate this. And then save. And then we can quickly do these last two sites. Almonds west is going to become almond 1B. And we'll change the almond field. Whoops. I got ahead of myself and see it checked me and said, do you want to save this before you move on? Which I did, so that was good. And we'll change this one, almond 1B field, and we'll change the irrigation set, almond 1B, and hit save. And then one last thing to do is to change the names on the stations themselves. So the north is going to become almond 1A. And this is the weather station site, so we'll call that weather station, WS. And then lastly, the west monitoring station is going to become almond 1B. So now when we go back to the home, we can see all our almond sites. Now we have block names for our almond sites. So it's a very simple thing to change, just a few steps, all within the configuration panel. So now if you get to a point where you want to change names of things, you don't need to contact us. You've got the ability to do that on your own, and it's just a few simple steps. I hope this organizes your sites better and helps you use names that are familiar to you rather than someone else. Thank you.